Shot is good, mga friends.
All 40.
Inabayan. Mahuhuli ni Bert. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 points by Inabayan. Medyo okay ang laban natin ngayon, ha? 48-51 ang score. Number 19. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. For 3. Yes, sir. Alright.
Black ball! Black ball! Black ball! 6 minutes. Tutoy lang kayo, tutoy. Sangander, oh. Uy, wala. Grabe ano. Sa kanya lahat ng rebound.
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
5 seconds.
5 seconds to shoot.
2, 1, 0. Sige, pag-screen mo, umalas ka kagad.
De La Rosa. No good. They won in number 13. Number 13. Ano na yung number 13? Foul.
Nak, huwag ka masyadong didikit may langgam. Malaki.
Second personal foul. Second ni foul.
Oo, na kami langgam. Malaki. Masakit yan.
Wala. Yung number 28. Ayun na si Bird. 15 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Dire-diretso. Wow. May number 26. 23. First personal foul, 13 foul. No good. Rebound ni number 1. Pinigigil number 11. Inabayan? Can I see the shot clock? 10 seconds to shoot. Tumira ng dress. Yun o. Ayun o. Last 4 minutes and 10 seconds po mga ka-bird. Inabayan, inabayan. Dire-diretso si inabayan. Ten seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Tumira ng dress. Yes, sir! Number 19 for 0 points. Last 3 minutes and...
Sub kayo. Sub. Sub.
Rep substitution. Oras natin 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 11 with the 2 points. Binigay, binato, diretso. Uy! Nice try. Number 11. 2 points. Fifteen seconds to shoot.
10 seconds.
Last 3 minutes po. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Yay! Nako! Grabe ba? I love it. Ano? Last 2 minutes and 35 seconds po tayo mga kaibigan. Oseo for 3. No good. Kukunin number 94. Assist sa number 1.
Tawid.
13 seconds to shoot. Oras po natin 2 minutes and 14 seconds.
11 seconds shot clock. 11.
10 seconds to shoot.
Traveling counter.
Traveling. Last 2 minutes po. 2 points, bayan na bayan. Medyo masigip siya dun, Bert, ha? Number 19. Binigay kay Hobi. Binigay kay Nabayan, dire-diretso. Traveling. Rep, time out daw po.
Tama, block.
Peters G. Fourteen seconds po shot clock. Coronado. 2 points. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds.
One minute 17 seconds. 1:17. 1 minute 17 seconds.
Two shots is good. Oras po natin 1 minute and 10 seconds. 2 points. Wait, pati nga, wait. Last 1 minute and 5 seconds po. Batang-bata si Fred. Let's go. Coronado. For 2. No good. Rebound ni 94. Binigay ulit kay Coronado. 2 points. Yes, sir. Last 40 seconds po. Kuha ni Nick. Binigay kay number 19. Last 35 seconds. Shot clock at 13. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala na pong shot clock. Last 15 seconds. Wow. Last 14 seconds po.
40 seconds!
Second shot, no good. Rebound ni number 1. Oseo for 3. Yes, sir. Last 9 seconds po. Last 5 seconds. Yun ang laban na masasabi kong panalo tayo lahat.
Mama ka ngayong araw na to ah. Yabang eh. Pag ikaw bukas hindi mo ginawa yan.